Hi friends. You know it is almost summer when you can still film at 7:30. That's crazy. Today we are filming a haul. This is gonna be a collective haul quite clearly. This is my to film in a haul corner. She's really building up over here. It overflowed over here too. Yeah, that. We're just gonna get straight into it because I have a lot of stuff. If you want to see some outfit style inspiration, make sure to check me out on TikTok and Instagram because that's where I post a lot of outfit stuff as well as on here. So subscribe here, but let's get into it. For starters, I talked about these tank tops before, but they're kind of like Align Lululemon dupes, but they're from Amazon. They have a built-in bra, super comfy. They look nice just wearing them by themselves, but they're also great for working out. So I got it in black, white, and pink. From Urban Outfitters, I got this skirt. I wore it to a little farmer's market, thought it was fun. It was on sale. I like the colors. Kind of patchworky. I love patchwork stuff. I got this fun like earring set because I love Urban Outfitters earrings. It had these fun snake ones, but I took those off. And then I got these cute little flower clips. I also got these earrings that I'm literally wearing right now. It came in a set also, but it had like little yin yang ones and peace sign ones I thought were fun. From Etsy, I got the best shirt ever. This is probably my favorite piece in my closet, not even gonna lie. And I haven't even gotten to wear it yet because I saved it for this video for you guys. I got a bunch of t-shirts, other stuff from Lonely Ghost, which is honestly, I can say it now, it's like my favorite brand. I've talked about it before. They have the best graphics, so I got this one. It says, "The song reminds me of you." I don't know why, I just love the thought of that phrase. And then the back is adorable. Literally slap graphic flowers on anything, I'll be in love. This one says Self-Love Club. Love what that stands for. Self-love, yes, absolutely. Has a heart on the back. I didn't even know it had a heart on the back until I got it. This one, I'm a little embarrassed that I bought. It says Single Not Lonely, which I'm probably just gonna wear this as a sleep shirt because I feel like that's a little, I don't want to flaunt my singleness around, okay? I like the materials of their shirts and I was in a phase and I really wanted graphic shirts, as you can see, because I got so many. But they were also having a massive sale. Not that that justifies anything. But I got this one also and I love this one. It says feelings are cool, which I agree with that statement. Feelings are cool. And then look at the back. It's checkered and fun. Love it. Oh my god. The thing is, like, I shove all my new clothes in this pile in the corner, so I think I have nothing to wear and I keep buying stuff. This one, also love what it says. It's cool to care club. Lots of clubs I'm in apparently, which is funny because I'm actually not in any. And then it has the earth with a little band-aid on it. Care for the earth. Next. Oh, more stuff. Oh my gosh. These are the last two things from Lonely Ghost. I got this inhaler necklace, which I have asthma actually, so it's okay, I can wear this. I like the length of it and the chain because it layers really well, especially like with the set that I'm wearing right now. Those are like my 3 favorite necklaces at the moment. Honestly, when it's on, it low-key looks like it's a Christmas stocking or something, or just like a sock. And then I got this one. The colors of this just kind of remind me of the Warriors, but it's actually not at all. It says Ghostly Florals, which I don't know, kind of a random print, but I love oversized crew necks. They're so fun for like layering and being comfy. I wore that today actually. Now, on to Zara, my recent obsession. I can't shop for my life there online, but in person, I go crazy. I got a bunch of pants there. I love their pants. Their jeans are my favorite jeans ever. I got these pants, which I love because they're basically sweatpants, but they look kind of nice on. They're just like ribbed. They have pockets. They're flowy. I love that. I got these jeans. They're actually from the girls section, and they're like this light green color, which I think are pretty fun. I got them in a size 13 to 14, and they're like nice and wide leg. I also got these ones and they're super wide leg. They have like a pinstripe kind of thing. I love the fit of those. They're like super. I also got this. It's like a vest, but it's like a boxier one. It's kind of a good alternative if you don't want to wear like a tank top or something. This isn't from Zara, but it's in my Zara bag. I forgot that I bought this. From Uniqlo. They have great basics. I got these pants. This girl posted them on TikTok and was like, if you're sure, you should buy these. And I was like, I'm sure. So I got them. But they're also very lowy. They look almost business casual. You could definitely wear them as like a dressed up business look, but they're a nice material. I've been filming hauls for like 5 years and I still don't know the names of any materials. I guess I could just look at the tag. Polyester. They're jersey straight pants. And then I also got like a rib tank just because I thought this would be good for layering. I don't have any black like turtlenecks and it's getting hot out. I don't want to wear like a long sleeve underneath stuff, so I figured tank one would be good. Now, from Target, I got some bras. Fun. This one, this is pretty nice and it was like $7 or something, but it's just ribbed and one side is like a One side is like a scoop neck and the other side is a V, but you could also probably do that thing where you twist it and it looks like a cool front, but I wear this so often. And then I got this one, which is just a nice shade color, super soft, comfy. This one's padded, the other one is not. This was like a little shop that I found in Ballard, and they had Kish masks, and I love Kish masks. I love them, but I don't even know where to buy them. Like, I guess you could buy them on the website.
But that's no fun.
Instant gratification. I got 3 new patterns. Actually, this one I already had. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one. Oh, here's the other one. Gosh, they're so cute. Look at the patterns I got.
Fun.
These are my favorite just because I have a very flat Asian nose, so masks don't be staying up on my face unless it's like those disposable ones. And I want reusable masks, so I don't have to like keep throwing them away. From Change, I got this tank top, and I unfortunately got it in a large because I do this thing where, like, first off, I don't know my sizes in anything. Second off, if I really want something, even if it's not my size, for some reason I think it'll magically fit me. So I ended up buying this in a large, but yeah, I'll actually make this fit me. It's just a plain black tank top. You can tell the quality of this is amazing. Also love everything they stand for. Change. They have a lot of BLM shirts and stuff also, or like feminist shirts, and they have so many cool graphics that you can go through. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, Melanie. Okay, so I have been thrifting a lot. I split it up into 2 thrift trips. First off, I got these Calvin Klein jeans. Amazing deal. They were so cheap, and they're straight-ish leg, but kind of on the skinnier side, but you can tell the quality of these fabulous. I got this shirt, just a nice graphic tee. Once again, I love graphic tees. Slap a car on it, call me cool. I've been loving button-up, whether it's like a long sleeve, kind of like, I guess this is a flannel, but like long sleeve or short sleeve ones. I think they're amazing cover-ups. And I also love zebra print. I don't even remember buying this one, but I love it.
Fun.
So fun. I got this top. Looks very Princess Polly-esque. It's kind of like a little wrap chiffon looking top, and it's kind of like fluffy sleeves, and then it's a cute little floral print, and then these little strap things just tie in a bow in the back. This would look really cute with like a skirt or even like some high-waisted jeans. Another button down, button up. This one is corduroy, but like a thin corduroy, and it's navy, which I really like. I think it's a good alternative, a black hoodie or something, especially with spring. You want to be a little bit lighter and brighter. I also got this one. This one is brown, and it's huge, but sometimes I just like tie the sides and call it good. But I've been wearing this one a lot, actually. I got this skirt. It's like a long skirt. It does have a slit on both sides, but I like the print. It's a nice neutral, and I thought this could be very cute dressed up or down. And I've been into different types of skirts, not just like mini ones. I've been into midi ones, which I used to be really afraid of because I'm so short and I didn't want to look even shorter, but you know what, I got over that fear. Got over a lot of fears this year. I got this looks like something my mom would own, or something that I would have bought like 3 years ago when I was thrifting, just because it has like this stripe, like that almost Adidas looking stripe, and that was like my weakness. But I don't know, maybe this will be a sleep shirt. It's soft purple. This is more out of my comfort, like a halter one, but I feel like it very much fits the kind of like Y2K black and white kind of funky looking flowers. It's kind of fun. It almost looks like a tankini, but it's not. It's like silky. And then I also got this one. This is actually a pretty fancy feeling top, and I used to be not afraid, but I didn't like this shade of pink. I used to hate it, actually. Apparently I like it now. I don't know, the material feels really nice, and it's just like a, what's it called when it's not a turtleneck, but like a partially there one. I don't know. I think it's fun. I think it look really cute tucked into some jeans, especially because it's really like flowy. Once again, that could totally be worn as an actual professional like work shirt too. Then I got a bunch of shorts from H&M because summer and shorts and stuff. I got this bikini top. That's fun. Short. I got these. My friends and a lot of people in general don't like terry cloth, which is like the feeling of a towel basically, but I don't know. I really like it for some reason. I think it's fun, and if I don't like them, they'll leave them period shorts. Sorry if that's TMI. I got these. I got them a little bigger. They're supposed to be like stretchy, but I want them to be kind of like a mom boxy fit. I don't know if they're called like cut off shorts almost, except these ones aren't cut off, but I like the shape of them. And then I got some sweat shorts. I love sweat shorts. They're so comfy, and I love sweatpants, so sweat shorts, why did it take so long to think of that? And I got these are flowy little green ones, and I think these are absolutely adorable. My dream shorts. They're stretchy and cute and green. I love green. Then I got some stuff from Brandy. First off, I got some shorts again. I got some more shorts again. I got a brown little tank top thing, and then I also got, oh frick, that's my parking ticket. I got a giant hoodie. Just one of those. They're comfy. What can I say? Okay, guys, we're on to the last part of the haul. I have this button up and it's blue zebra print, which is really funky. It's either something that's super ugly or it's gonna be super cute. But I've been kind of into these funky, weird things. So I think it could be a fun statement piece. Along with that, I have this fun little wear boxy print, and it's a short sleeve button up and it's pretty big, but I think it'll look cute as kind of like a throw over like a tank top or a bralette or something, or like a nice summer top. And then I got two sweaters, which I know, yeah, it's summer, but when you see a good sweater and you know it's a good sweater, you have to invest in it. So I got this one. This was actually a really expensive thrift find because it was like $25 at Goodwill. What the heck, Goodwill? But I guess that's okay because I think it's cute, so I like it. I love patchwork stuff. And then I got this. You can't tell, but it's a lot of different tones of blue, so it kind of has like a funky, you can kind of see it actually. Thought it was pretty fun. I got these pants, which almost remind me, I don't know what they remind me of actually, but they're also flowy. They're kind of like ribbed, but like intense ribbed. Then I got this skirt, and it's like a midi one, as I talked about a little earlier. I'm afraid of midi skirts, but no longer. I wore this one to the Tulip Festival, and I thought it looked pretty adorable, not gonna lie. I got these shorts, and they are leather. As you can see by the reflection, I really wanted leather pants, but I was also kind of afraid of them, so I feel like leather shorts step in the right direction. And then I got this top. The shape of it's kind of just like a plain v-neck, but I thought that the print of it was really funky and fun. Like, it looks like it belongs in an art museum, not gonna lie. And then the last thing I thrifted is this jacket, and well, I guess it's kind of just like a button-up jacket. I don't know, I feel like it has more shape to it than a normal button-up. It's kind of like cargo looking or something, I don't know, but it's a little bit thicker. I really like the buttons also. They're a little bit bigger, and I just like the nice boxy shape. I think it'll look great worn kind of as a light jacket during the spring and summer. Okay guys, well, that is everything for this haul. I got a lot of stuff, but hopefully you enjoyed watching it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My room is an actual mess right now, and I need to try all of this on. So if you want to see more hauls, don't tell me that, because I actually need to stop shopping. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily. Okay, I should like fold all this stuff first, maybe. Do my... I folded my stuff, guys. Let's see. Oh gosh.